Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we face an all too familiar foe. The fan connector on a PS5 has been ripped off the mainboard. Anyhow, let's go ahead and dig in. Alright, we got it ground down, now we just gotta add some SATA, and then we can add the connector. Alright, we got the board prepped, let's get the connector back on. Alright, I got the post legs in place. Little pins, I guess you could call them. Now we gotta secure the legs. So I always like to take just like a glob of solder and stick it right there. Let me get a good glob of solder here. Boom. The lighting, I don't think I can. Oh, we need to add flukes. There we go. Came out pretty nice. It's hard to showcase those solder points, but there we go. Alright, let's go ahead and take care of this liquid metal displacement and get her bolted up and done. Much better. I don't know, Steve, how secure is that connector? Alright, that's good. Client smashed that cable. Hopefully they didn't damage their Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Alright, that is the finished product on the connector. Look at that fitment. Nice. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to play this flat when you get it back, brother. Other than that, thanks for choosing SBL Games. All you viewers out there, thanks for watching. Membership's now available. Store almost complete. New videos dropped every Sunday. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.